This video tutorial will cover how to input hourly based availability into SubitUp. Within SubitUp, there are three different methods of availability collection: hourly based availability, shift based availability, and event based availability. If your manager is using shift based availability or event based availability, check out our support site for videos on how to enter those. To enter hourly based availability, you'll go over to the left hand side of your screen and select My Availability. On this screen, you will see all the positions that you are a part of. The ones that are in bold are the positions that managers are now requesting availability from you. If you need to put an availability for a position that says confirmed here and is not in bold, you'll need to reach out to your manager to have them open that back up for you. Hourly based availability is an open calendar that is date based. So you'll see March 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, specific days and dates on the calendar. And from here, you're going to be able to put in specific times that you are available to work throughout each day. So, for instance, if I'm available on Tuesdays at these times from 9 a.m. to 1:15, you drag and drop and let your manager know this is when you can work. If on Wednesday you're available from 2 to 6:45, you can put that in here as well on Wednesday. Any time that is not covered in these blocks, you are considered unavailable. One thing with hourly based availability to keep in mind is that if you are unavailable for even a small portion of the shift that your manager needs covered, you will show up as unavailable in the system. So for instance, if there was a shift from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. and this was my availability, I would not be considered available for that shift. After you go in and put in your availability for any given week, what you can do then is if your availability stays mostly the same. So if my availability for next week, and you can use these arrow bars here to go over to next week. If my availability is mostly the same for next week as it was this week, I can just choose create your availability from previous week. And that will automatically put that over, and I can keep on going throughout however long I need to for my manager. Up in the top right, you're going to see all the other positions that use hourly availability that you are a part of. So if I need to put in availability for one of my other positions, let's say it's intramural staff, and let's say it's exactly the same as the fitness attendant position. Now I will go ahead and just choose availability from position, and I can choose copy over from fitness attendant, copy, and it's going to confirm that you do want to copy this, and this availability is put right on over to the other position. If you want to totally reset your availability, so you want to totally redo it from scratch, you can choose this red clear availability button. If you choose that, it's going to make sure that you actually do want to clear it, and that availability will be wiped for this position only. After you've put in all the availability that you need to, you can hit this green Submit to Manager button. And what this will do is it will lock the availability so that you cannot make any edits or adjustments from there. Once you hit this button here, this position is now locked, and you will not be able to put in any changes unless your manager goes in and opens it for you. That is how to put in hourly availability. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to our support team. Our email is support@subitup.com, and our phone number is 617-401-8733. Our office hours are Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Thanks so much.